Okay, hi everybody, welcome back to Vickyville. I wanted to share with you a few things that I've been working on while I am like watching my TV shows, or like when I want to craft but I don't really want to like do something really involved, like I could still pay attention to, you know, a show or whatever. And so I've been working on doing a lot of like embellishments that are ready to go. Like you could add them to gifts, you could add them on like a scrapbook page, you could add them on a card for a friend, you could add it to all kinds of different things like your planner spread or whatever. So I've been just using like scraps that maybe I used for a scrapbook layout, and I still have like some pieces of paper that are beautiful paper, and so I've been just kind of recreating different embellishments that I can use with those scraps. So, and I also have so many little, you know, little like wood things or stickers or ribbon or bling or whatever, pearls, that are just sitting there not doing anything. And if you're like me, I don't know, and comment below if you're like me, I love collecting everything, and then I have it and I'm like, oh, I don't want to use that because it's too nice, and then if I don't have it anymore I'll be sad. But then I'm like, you have to use it, that's why you have it all. I mean, look at this. So I've been trying to get rid of or use up some of the things that I have that I've been collecting, and you should use it, right? And so I want to share with you just some things that I've been doing, and I'm like obsessed with making them. And if you, I've been watching all of your videos too, and so if you like watching them too, please put your YouTube channel underneath so that I could watch your videos and get some ideas too. So anyways, I'll share that with you now. Thank you for watching. Keep it crafty, Vickyville. First off, I don't think I showed this to you, but I made that Harry Potter card last week. My daughter bought me that stamp set from Sweet Stamp Shop, and I love it, and so I just made that card. This is the Anthropology candle. If you've ever smelled it, I believe it's called Volcano. It is the greatest smell you will ever smell in your entire life, so I love it. But here are some of the tags that I have been working on. So there's that one, and it's kind of like a retro. Then here I used my Michael's Fiesta pack. Since Cinco de Mayo was over, I was like, oh, I would love to like continue, you know, and I just added, used the die, used the wood embellishment you see for the title that says Besties, and then the crepe paper in the back, that was Mona Me Gabby. And then here was another embellishment. I just used my Sizzix die. And then here's another one. There's the wooden embellishment, and then that ribbon is the Mona Me Gabby. And then here's, I used the Tim Holtz Wonderful Kindness sticker sheet pack, and then that's another wood embellishment that I had. And then here I just used kind of like I let it kind of be like a travel theme, and I just added with some dies and some punches. So that one is like an airplane, that one says Wanderlust, that one says Let's Go, and that one says Vacation, and it's so fun. And then these are just like colorful, very much layered. Those are the circle, oh no, the Elizabeth Craft dies in the very back, the circle, the two with the dots on the side, and then just some punches, and that's the Tim Holtz sticker pack with the wording as well. So that one says Adore and Cherish, and then that one says Thoughtful Girl, and that one says Adventure. And so I have been totally loving making these tags, and I love them, so I'm going to make more and I'll show you. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.